Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to look at a very simple but essential task in Unreal Engine 5, how to delete a landscape. Sometimes you might start with a landscape template and want to remove it, or maybe you just want to start fresh with a clean slate. The process is incredibly quick, but if you're new to the engine, you might not know exactly where to look. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is find your landscape actor. All objects in your level, including the terrain, are listed in a panel called the World Outliner. This panel is usually located on the top right side of your screen by default. In the World Outliner, you will see a complete list of every single actor currently in your scene. To find the landscape quickly and easily, you can use the search bar at the very top of this panel. Just click inside the search bar and type the word landscape. This will immediately filter the long list and show you the landscape actor. It might be named simply landscape, or, if you were using World Partition, it could be called a landscape streaming proxy. Once you see it in the filtered list, click on it to select it. You will know it's properly selected because it will become highlighted, usually with a blue or orange color. Now that your landscape actor is selected, you have two very easy ways to delete it from your project. The absolute fastest method is to simply press the delete key on your keyboard. Just one single press, and the landscape will be gone. The alternative method, if you prefer using your mouse, is to right-click on the selected landscape actor right there in the World Outliner. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, navigate to the Edit option, and then in the submenu that appears, click on Delete. Both methods achieve the exact same result, so use whichever one you are more comfortable with. The landscape will instantly vanish from your viewport. A very important point to remember is that deleting the landscape actor from your level does not delete the landscape material asset itself. The material you were using to texture and paint your landscape still exists within your content browser. If you want to completely remove all traces of the landscape, you will need to go into your content folders, find that specific material, and delete it separately. Also, any foliage you painted on the landscape will be deleted along with it, as all those foliage instances are attached directly to the landscape itself. So be sure you want to remove everything before you proceed. And please don't worry, if you make a mistake and delete it accidentally, you can always undo the action by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. It's a real lifesaver. And that is really all there is to it. You now know how to properly and completely remove a landscape from your Unreal Engine 5 project. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. Consider subscribing for more Unreal Engine tips and tricks, and if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.